Hello and welcome to another video for Quick Trade Ninja. Today we'll be reviewing the Quick Trade Ninja Clicktrader. Now, as you're probably aware, the standard functionality of ChartTrader, if I enable ChartTrader here, the standard functionality requires you to right-click and select your order type from the chart menu to place an order. Now, this can be somewhat distracting and can cost you extra time for placing your initial entry order. And so Clicktrader was designed with quick and efficient order entry and management in mind, and this is especially helpful for you in faster moving markets as well as for shorter time frames or different bar types. And ultimately it will let you maintain your focus on your trades without thinking too much about the order management. So to configure Clicktrader, you're going to right click and go to your indicator menu, and you're going to find it in the Quick Trade Ninja folder. And you'll look for Clicktrader. Once you have selected Clicktrader, you have three order hotkeys to configure. So these are the keys that will need to be pressed in order to accomplish the different order actions. So in order to go long, you'll want to press down this key. This scenario will use Control. To go short, you'll want to hold down the Alt key. And to change an existing order, you'll want to hold down, for this demo, I'm going to configure Control and Alt together. So hold down Control and Alt together to change an order. So those are the only settings you need to configure for the hotkeys. Once that is done and ChartTrader is enabled, the Clicktrader is ready to go. It's important to note that ChartTrader is required for Clicktrader to work, and Clicktrader will use the settings that you input on ChartTrader. So the time in force, the account, order entry or order quantity, and the ATM strategy will all be used and reflected in the orders you place by Clicktrader. All right, so for my initial demo, I'm going to place a long order by pressing and holding the long order entry key that I configured, which in this case is the control key. So I'm holding down the control key and I'm going to click the price level that I want the order to be placed at.
Order submitted.
So Clicktrader knows that if I click a price above the current price, so right now I clicked above the price, it knows to place a stop market order. And if I click a price below the current price, it's going to place it as a limit order. Now the reverse is true. If I hold down the short entry key, which is Alt in our scenario, and if I click above the current price, it knows to place a limit order, and if I click below the current price, it knows to enter a stop order.
Order canceled.
Now it's important to note as well that as long as you hold the entry key down, so I'm going to continue to hold down the control key, as many times as you click,
Order submitted.
It will continue to enter orders. Now if that's not your desired behavior, if you would like to instead enter one order and instead move it,
Order submitted.
You enter your initial order, and then you would want to hold down your order change hotkey, which we configured to be Control plus Alt, and then click the new price that you want the order to be moved to. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate that now. I'm holding down Control and Alt, and I'm going to go ahead and click up here to get filled on this order.
Order filled.
Okay, so you can see now I'm in a position, and like I said, it used the ATM strategy that was selected, which is 50 ticks above and 50 ticks below. Once I'm in this position, I can now use the order change hotkey to manage my stop and my target. So in this scenario, if I'm holding down the Control and the Alt key, which is what we configured for the order change key, I can click at this place and it knows to change the stop or the limit order. Clicktrader knows to change the order that is on the same side in relation to the current price. So if I am on the same side of the current price as my stop order, it knows to change the stop. If I'm on the same side as the target, it will change my target. And then the reverse would be true for the short position. It's just all dependent on the relation to the current price. I can also enter an add-on position with Clicktrader. So this is an example that I wanted to add another long position. I'm going to go ahead and do that here. And it's getting away from me.
Order filled.
I've entered an add-on position here. Now, you'll notice I have the new targets and new stops as well. This is where the efficiency of Clicktrader really comes in managing stops and targets for multiple orders. With standard chart trader functionality, you click, drag, and click again to move your order to the desired place, which is not a big deal with one contract. But with multiple contracts, it can become problematic. So with Clicktrader, what it does is it acts as a magnet, and when you're holding down your order change hotkeys, it'll act as a magnet, and you'll move all stops and all targets to the new price with a single click. So I'm holding down my Control Alt, which is my order change key, and I click with one click. It moves all orders to the same price for either side. So this has been a basic demo of Ninja Clicktrader. Now, as always, we strongly recommend that you configure and test Clicktrade Ninja in a SIM account to allow you to get comfortable with the features and the functionality, and so that you can verify it is working as you intended to with your particular trading strategy. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about Clicktrade Ninja, feel free to reach out to us.